Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another vlog, welcome to another video, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a long time since I haven't made a vlog, but today here I am finally. So today we have an event at the Islamic Center of Maryland, which is the mosque where I went and spent my Eid. One of my friends has invited me there there's a festival going on, just a social gathering for young Muslim girls, and she invited me and I was like, yeah, I will try to make it there and I'll be meeting her. She's one of the Pakistani friends. We actually came to know about each other on Instagram, but we didn't get to meet in person, and today is the day to meet her. So let's go. I will get ready. First of all, the event actually starts at 5:30, but since it's far, so I will go to ICM first, where I will take a bus with them, and then from there we'll go to where the event is happening. So let's go. And I'm making this vlog specially for her because she was the one who requested me to make a vlog with her, because I know she loves making videos, and she said that she wanted to be part of one of my YouTube videos, and I was like, yeah, let's do it then. I'll be leaving from here in 15 days, and I can't believe that I'm doing that, and I believe in everything that I've been loving here. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know about these gifts that I'm giving away to my friends and to my teachers, because I'll be leaving soon, as you all know, and I just wanted to give them something before I go back to Pakistan. So what I have in the gifts is basically some of the traditional little bags that I had brought from Pakistan, and some Balochi, you can say, chadars. I'm ready, guys. Actually, that was quick. I still have 30 more minutes. That was so quick. I wasn't expecting myself to be that quick. Anyways, we'll be leaving here in 30 minutes, and then I will see you guys there. So let's go. Okay, guys, right now we are at Darul Taqwa, and here is Munahil.
Hi, hello everybody. I'm Nahil. I'm Nahid.
Okay.
And we're live from Darul Taqwa.
We're meeting right after. Like, it was a long time. We've been thinking that we're gonna meet, and today we are here.
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna have like a little kind of interview, and we're gonna ask questions from the people here. And yeah, I'm gonna take an interview from Manahil basically. So
Yeah.
okay, let's go.
Okay.
So we're taking more pictures, and then me and Manahil are actually in line. We're gonna be taking pictures.
Yes.
Photo booth is right here. Look at her here, Ben. By the way, it looks so pretty.
I stole it from Zoya, but it's okay.
So guys, we're here, and my first question to Manahil is, what is YM and how she started, how the YM started.
So YM is basically a community of sisters. It stands for Young Muslim Sisters, and we have like events catered towards the youth, to build sisterhood within our community, and learn about the Deen together. And basically it's a national thing. Like, there's a YM in every state. We have like, I think 4 in Maryland. So I'm the NeighborNet coordinator. Like, I organize like events for our city, for Laurel. And Nahid is on the board too.
Yeah, I'm on the board. I do outreach, so I pretty much just manage the social media. If we need to contact any mosques or any higher officials or anything like that, I'm responsible for making sure that we do that in a timely manner to get everything running smoothly. There's a lot of other Shura members too. So I'm sure they'd be willing to tell you about their role and everything as well.
And follow us on the Instagram. Our page is ym.laurel.sisters, and Laurel is Laurel.
Yeah, like Annie versus Laurel.
Yeah.
Perfect. And now the next question is, how did we meet? Okay, she's gonna tell you guys.
Basically, my sister watched Durjan's video. It was like the high school one, like of her experience in high school as an exchange student. And then she was like, "Oh, Manalapi, like look, this girl, she lives in Maryland. She lives in Gaithersburg because she was in Gaithersburg High School." And I was like, "What? No way! Oh my god!" And like I was like, I have to reach out to her somehow. And I don't know how I found Durjan's Instagram. Like, was it like linked in your bio? Or?
Yeah, I think it was, or maybe like because I had the same handle in my YouTube and the Instagram.
Yeah, I think I like found her. I was stalking. I was stalking, and then I found her page. There's not eating. And Rose is moving in on that.
Okay.
For you guys.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna watch this video, everybody.
Yeah.
And then I watched Durjan's video, and then I contacted her, and I was like, "Oh, hey, Durjan." Durjan didn't see my text first.
Yeah, because it was DM, girl. I didn't know that. Like, because I get a lot of DMs asking about the program, right? So I didn't open my DMs until like I don't know. It took me a long time actually, but finally when I opened it, I was like, "Oh, this girl lives in Maryland, so maybe we can meet." And then she's the one who told me about YM Laurel Sisters, YM Gaithersburg Sisters, and then I started following ICM, the Islamic Center of Maryland, where I went and spent my Eid, and I met a lot of other people. They already watched my that vlog of Eid.
What? We tried so hard and so long to meet, and we finally did it, guys.
Like my exchange year is almost about to end, but finally, like I said that I should meet her before I leave, so it's like a must thing. And finally,
alhamdulillah, guys.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go and get something to eat, and then we're gonna have more fun.
My sister made these scones, so we're gonna see.
Yeah.
Hi guys, तो हमारी प्लेट तैयार है.
Yeah. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे खाना खाएंगे.
And that's my other sister. और मैंने literally अपनी पूरी फैमिली को कह दिया vlog देखने. Hello guys.
अभी हम लोग खाना खा रहे हैं. It's her food, and then this is my food. Actually, look at that. I have two.
Oh, I got 2 cups. और everybody अभी हम सब खाना खा रहे हैं.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
These are my sisters. And सब खाना खा रहे हैं.
सब खाना खा रहे हैं. हाँ.
फिर हम कोई गेम खेलेंगे, कुछ करेंगे, बट अभी खाना खा के कोई प्लान करते हैं कोई गेम का. So
Okay guys, here is Fatima.
I'm Fatima. I am from Gaithersburg, Maryland.
How long it has been since you're here?
It has been 3 years since I came
And
to America.
she's from?
I'm from Lahore, Pakistan.
Yay!
And I'm very proud of Durjan.
Yeah, oh my god.
Out of like 6,500 other people.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Yeah, it's your love. And I met her only today, and we're already friends. Can you believe that?
Yes. It's because she's so nice.
It's because you are.
So, did you like really think that I'm a college student? Because she did not.
No, I did not. Honestly, I thought you were a high school student.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
she was 16.
Me too. And she's going to Montgomery College. I said Montgomery County.
It's a community college, so yeah, it's nice.
That's cool.
But I'm gonna miss Durjan.
Like it's just today that we met, and then I'll be leaving in like about 15 days. Yeah, so soon. Oh my god.
Can you like extend it or like delay?
Yeah. If I wish I could. घर जाएंगे.
Oh my god!
I know. Me too, girl. It was so nice meeting you.
इंशाल्लाह मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी.
हाँ.
मिलते हैं.
Inshallah, and then I'll make a vlog, another vlog
You
with
guys will see
Nahi.
me again. This is not goodbye, okay?
Yeah, this is not goodbye, but it's to see you later, right?
Yeah, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Inshallah, inshallah. Oh my, I know.
I'm gonna watch your vlog every single day, and then I'll.
Okay.
review.
That's great. Oh my god. Okay,
So,
bye bye.
Durjan, did you like YM event?
Yeah, I loved it. Everyone who is watching from Maryland should definitely come and join their event.
YM, guys. Join
Yeah.
us.
Kari hai. Fatima. Look here. 2 Fatimas. We have 2 Fatima. Fatima, Fatima. I know, right? It is cold. Oh, the AC was on? Guys, I just got back home. It was so much fun today. Oh my god, I can't believe that I finally met my friend Manahil. I made more friends today, and it's really good to join such events, such communities, because it's the way to connect to more Muslim people here. I'm so glad that I found communities like theirs, and then that I was part of them, and I participated. It was really so much fun. Yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and will continue watching my videos, and hopefully I can make a video of my last day of school too. So subscribe for more content like this. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.